Camelot fans on Facebook today. Your quest begins with a chance to win a 6-night stay in Wales and London, or daily instant prizes in the stars. Win your way to Camelot sweepstakes. Go to facebook.com/camelot.stars for the official rules and to enter. The original series by Stars. Camelot. Fridays at 10. Prizing is provided
Mom, get her to play with you.
Today.com.
We're closing up shop.
Thanks to baby.
Andy's going
Get her to play with you.
Day now. These Pixar people continuously amaze me because they come up with something cracked with adventure and humor.
We have a plan.
We're going to daycare. Daycare?
Now, Stars takes you behind the scenes for a look inside the toy box at the making of Toy Story 3.
You're only supposed to take one every
People love
24
Toy
hours.
Story and Toy Story
Yeah.
2.
You're only supposed to
the
take
idea
one
of
every
making a third
24
one,
hours.
No, those
the challenge
allergy
of that was
pills,
not
I'm
lost
supposed
on
to
us.
take one
We
of
didn't want to
that.
disappoint anybody.
Welcome to Sunnyside,
Hard.
folks.
One every.
Wonderful to
Take
be
one
part
at
of
night,
something
too,
you think
if
is
my
going to give people
allergies.
a pleasure. What a nice bear.
And she smells like strawberries.
Well,
I
you
like
could
the
be
new
taking
toys. I was
the
laughing so
D.
hard at Ken, and
You could be taking the Claritin D.
He does a fashion show. What do you expect from a girl's toy?
I'm not a girl's toy. I'm not. Why do you guys keep saying that?
And it's
Do we
just
have any
subtle
big
little
sound?
jokes. It's just
No.
When you sit down to watch a Pixar movie, you're getting a really full experience. You're getting your money's worth.
No, but if you use that red stuff,
You always wanted
blue,
to
that works the same.
That's the beauty of the Pixar. That you really don't know.
Ouch.
I guess I'll
What?
find out. You're right there, you go. It's like you catch yourself, and you're going, oh man, I'm actually worried about whether they're going to make it or not.
So you see a movie that's really funny, has a lot of action, but it also has a lot of heart.
Are you taking pictures or filming?
Whatever
I'm filming.
happens, at least we'll all be together.
Yeah, Sherry's eye over here
Infinity and beyond.
swollen up and mine is
I
over
care so
here.
deeply about this.
We're around here this
That
morning.
everything you have right back to the original generation of Toy Story is still right there. It will always be the most amazing thing you've ever seen. Toy Story 3. Saturday, April 16th on Stars Saturday premiere.
Okay, enough.
I'm not done.
Stop. Stop.
This
No.
ain't it.
You don't pick up a real cop, do you?
Stop. I want to see.
I haven't gotten Peaches to do what I want her to.
She's just.
Well, so am I, but I'm still recording her. We're out of cough medicine.
Saturday, April 23rd on Stars Saturday premiere.
We are going to build a land full of hope and honor.
An original series by Stars.
You can be the greatest of men.
I know I carry your hope in me.
Destined to be king.
God food.
Leading the land. That's what every man dreams of. One will challenge his crown.
The only one with his blood is also in love. We can work together. Something you and me can't be both.
Hey, what?
What is your name?
Will rule his heart.
I had a dream of nothing else.
Good, because you belong to the Nazis.
Nobody belongs to anyone. Tell me, you're not thinking of me. Are we
No.
Discover the
Stop
story
trying to chew on Mom's boob.
What a legend born.
has never been told.
Tell everyone. The new king has come.
Camelot. The 2-episode series premiere tomorrow at 10 on Stars. Set your DVR now.
Here's what you see on
It's so
Stars
funny
tonight.
this morning. Caleb had her up and he's licking her letting her lick him in the mouth. And Sherry says, she just got through eating cat shit. He said,
Watch boobies. 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 Cat poop eater.
You're still giving yourself a triple chin, Mom.
Seen it about 3 times.
I love this movie, though.
Me too.
Why you gonna kiss me for?
Okay, I'm done.
Why you won't marry me for?